Hello, Peter here, checking in number 2. This is number 2 of the 30-day series on mindfulness and meditation. And today I just wanted to have a quick word about the 5 meditation techniques that I do in the webinar, which you can experience if you click the link below. Absolutely free, so you can do that. So there's 5 meditation techniques. What have we got there? We've got breathing meditation, really important to breathe deeply every day. We've got moving meditation, very good. Qigong. We've got Qigong classes here. You've got guided meditation. Sometimes you want to sit back and drive the car, let someone else drive the car, yeah? So guided meditation is sometimes really good. Silent meditation, one of the hardest ones, but really important for you to really find what is going on in your thoughts and your mind and help to alleviate or get rid of all the negative stuff that's inside of you, or the shadow work that we need to do. And sound meditation, which is my favorite because you can get your body to resonate with the field around you. It's all fantastic stuff. So it's all put in a 5 meditation techniques webinar. Just click the link below and I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.